shortage and massive recruitment in Netherlands. If you are a graduate or already one with years of work experience and you are looking for sponsorship jobs in the Netherlands, then hurry and start applying now. The link to the website is in the description box. If you find value in this video, make sure to hit the like button, share to your friends, and also subscribe to the channel.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.
So once you click on the link, this is what you have on your screen. We have 286 visa sponsorship jobs in Netherlands. So all you have to do is to search for vacancies that align with your own profession, like your own field, and you read the job details, and if you are okay with the job details, what they are going to offer you, the benefits, you have the skills, then you can start your application. So let's check out one of these vacancies, one of the vacancies on this website together. We have the fund operation manager, senior associate, major account manager, quality assurance coordinator, commercial sales manager, business development manager. And when you are applying for jobs on this website, make sure you go for jobs that comes with a permanent position. So it will be like there will be high chance that the employer can make visa for you if it's a permanent position. But if it's a temporary one, there is no assurance that the employer is going to make a visa for you. They won't even make a visa for a temporary position when they know you'll be going back soon. So they won't make visa for you. So always target the permanent position jobs. So let's check out one of these together. Okay, account manager. You click on it, then it will bring the full details, everything you need to know about the job on the right hand side. Here we have okay, the company description, everything you need to know about the company, what they offer, the job description, your career, your impact, your qualification, and also additional information you need to know. So you can see this one, they said, is this role eligible for immigration sponsorship? No. Please note that we will not sponsor applicants for work visa for this position. So for this particular vacancy, the employer already stated there that they will not be able to sponsor applicants for work visa. So it's easier that way. If you are the type that is looking for a work visa from the employer, then this is not for you. So we check out another one. Okay, we have customer care professional, we have global operation specialist. So you click on it, you can see it's the same process, the same steps. We have um the salary, we have the location, we have the hours that we are going to use to work. You can see no visa sponsorship available for for this vacancy also. So if there is visa sponsorship, the employer might state it there, or you have to go to the employers and you have to send the employer an email that you will want the employer to sponsor your visa down to Netherlands to work. And if you meet up with the requirement, they are okay with your qualification, your certificate, then they can sponsor your visa down to Netherlands to work. So this one also, no sponsorship available. Let's check out one other one. Okay, senior associate also. Okay, this is it. The job description, the right hand side, you read. Okay, they do not offer visa sponsorship also. So there are jobs here that do not offer visa sponsorship, and there are jobs that offer visa sponsorship. All you have to do is to search for jobs that comes with visa sponsorship, then you send the application, and you wait for feedback from the employer. So that is all about that on this website.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services. This is a wonderful community platform that you'll be able to know a lot of things in terms of traveling abroad.